At 7 a.m., a van started traveling from A to B at a speed of 60 km per hour. So the van reached town B at 10 a.m. Find the distance between A and B. For this one, always remember my protocol for all speed type question. Go and draw your line model. Okay, your line model. And in your line model, input all the information that you can have. Okay, what time did the journey start? 7 a.m. right? Okay, so I'm gonna put here 7 a.m. and it reached town B at 10 a.m. and the speed is 60 km per hour. Okay, find the distance between town A and B. So for this one, find the time taken first. So the time taken will be in between 10 a.m. to 7 a.m. What's the time taken? 3 hours, right? So T will be 3 hours. D will be 60 km per hour. So you have your D, you have your T. How to find your speed? Speed will be distance divided by time, and make sure all the units are the same. Hour. Okay, get good. Distance will be 60, time will be 3. 60 divided by 3 will be 20 km per hour. Sorry, 20 km. They are looking for, okay, sorry, this entire thing is wrong. Do not follow. I think, sorry, a bit too late already. My brain is not working. Okay, now distance will be speed times time. Not this, do not follow this. Speed times time, that will be your speed is 60 multiplied by your time, which is 3, giving us 180. Okay, so answer will be 180. Option 3. I just realized, okay, so why is one of the option 20 is because, okay, this is called misuse of formula, or rather writing the wrong formula, because I mistook this as distance instead of speed. So do not follow me, so this is the wrong method. Sorry, this is the wrong method. This is the correct model and this is the correct method. Okay, done.